Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to unbox a Tesla, if only someday. So let me show you the amount of goodies that I have right here. There are 12 total items reaching all the way up to the 9-foot ceiling. Let's go ahead and get started from the top, of course. Let's go ahead and take one of these packages. Make sure I don't tilt this or it falls. It actually took me a couple of tries to put this up, like playing Jenga. This is a little bit heavy. What can it be? Can it be like t-shirt? Socks? What is it? It feels soft though. Oh, what is this? Hot and cold therapy wrist compression ice wrap. That's gonna come in handy. Speaking of which, I just recently, I think, injured my right wrist because of my home gym. I don't have like a cage or setup, so I have to lift up the weights, flip it and kind of clean it in order to do like a bench press. Maybe somebody will send me a gym set. All right, this is a big packaging right here. What can this be? Bedding maybe? A hoodie? What's this? Isofa? What is this? Oh, I think this is like a beach blanket or something like that. Okay, that's gonna come in handy. Summer's coming. Let's go ahead and start out with this small box right here. It's very lightweight. Somebody send me some extra RAM. I can always use that. What's this right? Oh, I think this is a new tactical pen from Ankaka. I love tactical pen. Especially all these crazies out there, it won't hurt having a tactical pen. Always at the ready, right? This is also something lightweight. What's this? Oh, okay. I think this is a power bank. Can always use that. Power up my smartphone since I YouTube a lot, do a lot of recording. That's also a lightweight box. Can this be? Getting my unbox fix in. Hope you guys are doing the same thing. What's this? Digital voice recorder. Ooh, a voice recorder. That'd be my first. Almost halfway through. This is a little bit heavy. Can it be another power bank or something like that? Battery pack. It's nicely wrapped up though. Okay, I see another box in here. What's this? Oh, phone holder again? Man, I've reviewed so many phone holders. Another one? Oh well. That's my job. That's my job as a YouTuber. Ooh, what's this? Kevin's? So if you guys been following my channel, you guys know what the Kevin's brand. The ping pong balls I reviewed. 600 ping pong balls I reviewed over the break, Christmas break. Yeah. I purchased this for my parents. Oh, what's this? This is a nice box right here. Oh, what is this? Actually, I'm kind of curious. Let me open this up. What is this? Something in the back. Oh my goodness, guys. It's a slingshot. Look at this. It's a slingshot set. Oh, that's going to be fun to use. My very first slingshot. Take down Goliath with that. All right, this is kind of heavy. Not another toothbrush. Please, not another toothbrush. Not another toothbrush. Oh, snap. Electric lunchbox. Wow, now I can keep my food warm. Going to work, school. Put that off to the side right there. What's this right here? By the way, how is everybody doing? Hit me up in the comments section. I want to hear from you guys how I can improve my channel or what you guys like to see upcoming videos. Honey, I first of all say honey. Honey foldable misting fan. Ah, another cool product. I've reviewed a couple of neck fans. I love those. Those are so effective and cool to use, especially with the LED lights, and you put some aromatherapy oil in there. Man, it's like your own personal haven. Keeping cool, smelling good. Oh snap, what's this? Pluggable USB 3.0 dual 4K display horizontal docking stage. Oh snap, that is a cool product right there. Yes sir. All right, 2 more to go. Running out of spaces. Oh, hope I didn't damage that by cutting too deep. What is this? It's a handheld something. Oh snap, look at this cute little thing, guys. This is a mini portable vacuum cleaner. Kind of looks like a blender, but it's a vacuum cleaner. Okay, lastly, what can this be? It's something flat. Laptop stand. Something flat. It's pretty lightweight. It's like Christmas time, you guys trying to determine what's inside the present, right? This is a trusty box knife, box cutter. Lastly, oh my goodness, this will be the first one I'll be reviewing. LED neon sign. This is like the PlayStation controller. Oh wow, so be on the lookout for that. Whoo-wee. So these are my upcoming reviews. Make sure you stay tuned for that. And this is my YouTube life.